Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these very yummy cake buns. These are also called golden buns. To make these buns you'll be needing your all-purpose flour, your cinnamon and baking powder. You are going to mix your dry ingredients together, okay, and set it aside. Please note, if you don't have cinnamon you can use nutmeg as well. Now give it a nice mix and set your dry ingredients aside. In another bowl you are going to add in your powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk for this recipe. Please do well to check the comment section or the description box for the recipe. In a bowl you are going to crack in 2 eggs and give it a nice whisk. In another bowl you are going to add in your butter and sugar. Now you want to mix this like you normally do when you want to make your cake or your cake batter rather, okay? Mix this until it is light and fluffy. Once your batter is ready, you are going to add in your eggs and your vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Now give it a nice mix for it to combine. Please don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl while you are mixing. Next, you are going to be adding your milk and your dry ingredients. Now, this is what you want to do. When you add a bit of your milk, you mix your batter and then you introduce your dry ingredients, okay? Now, just continue like that until you are done with your milk and your dry ingredients, which is your flour, cinnamon, and baking powder. So at this point, this is what my batter is looking like, okay? I'm just going to remove the spatula and continue mixing with my hand because I want this batter to be very smooth. this is the consistency you want to achieve. The ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box, so do well to check it out. Now you are going to heat up some vegetable oil. Please use medium heat to fry your buns. Okay, once your oil is ready, you are just going to start scooping your buns batter into your hot oil. You can see how I am scooping this batter into the oil. Okay, this is what you want to do as well. You can also use ice cream scoop to scoop your batter. Okay. So you want to stir your buns continuously so everything can cook properly and have a very nice color all round. Okay. So once your buns are golden brown, you are going to take them off the heat and put in a sieve lined with kitchen towel to drain excess oil. Okay. Guys, this is what we have. Look at these yummy looking buns and the taste. Oh my god, they are out of this world. They tasted so good. Trust me, you are going to enjoy these buns. So if you watch this video up to this point, thank you so much. Please like the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and yeah, share the video if you can. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.